Hello, welcome once again to Sharpest Online Tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to provide a solution to this question on the board. And the question is from UTME 2022. The question reads, evaluate integral of s squared minus 1 ds. The interval is from 1 to 2. And here are the available options A to D. So let us integrate this and pick the correct answer. So remember, integration is just the opposite of differentiation. So what we are going to do here to integrate this, remember the interval is from 1 to 2. So in integration, we are going to add 1 to the power, then the whole of the power, we write it in the denominator. So what I mean is the integral of s squared minus 1 ds is going to be, you open a bracket. If you integrate s squared, we have s squared. So what do? You add 1 to the power, then over, then you bring the power down, which is 2 plus 1, then minus. Integration of constant is just, since we are integrating with respect to s, you use this x to multiply by the constant. If you are integrating 5 with respect to s, the answer is going to be 5s. We use the s to multiply by the constant. So integration of 1 with respect to s is going to be x. So we close bracket and the interval is from 1 to 2. So this s to the power of 2 plus 1 is also 2 plus 1 is also 3. Then 2 plus 1 here is 3. So what this interval imply, we are going to replace s as 2. This 2 is the upper interval and this is the lower interval. Always remember to start from you start your substitution from the upper interval, which is 2. So anywhere we see x, we replace 2 first. Then we take the difference of anywhere we see x, we replace the lower interval, which is 1. So let us see. So we have, in place of x is going to be 2. We have 2 to the power of 3 over 3. Then minus, we have 2 here. Then you close bracket. Then minus, then you input the lower limit, which is 1 to the power of 3 over 3. Then minus 1. So here now we can cancel this 2 to the power of 3. It implies 2 to the power of 3, meaning 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is going to give me 8. Then 1 to the power of 3 is 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 into 3 places. It will also be 1. So let us simplify this inside this bracket. The LCM is 3. Then you open a division sign. 3 into 3 is 1. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. And minus, this place can also be written as over 1. It's still the same. Then 3 into 1 is 3. Then 3 multiplied by 2 is going to give me 6. So this is the left hand side of this expression. Then minus, we simplify this. 1 can also be written as 1 over 1. It's still 1. Then the LCM is 3. Then you open a division. 3 into 3 is 1. Then 1 multiplied by 1, it will give me 1. Then minus 3 into 1 is 3. Then 3 multiplied by minus 1, it will give me minus 3. So we close the bracket. So the next thing we are going to do is to wait for that to simplify. 8 minus 6 is going to give me 2. Then over 3. Then minus 1 minus 3 is going to give me minus 2, then over 3. So the next thing we are going to do is to open the bracket. Remember, this is negative here, is going to affect this negative. It will change to positive. So we have 2 over 3. Negative multiplied by negative is going to be positive 2 over 3. So the LCM here is 3. So since the LCM is the same, the denominator are the same, then we add the numerator. We have 2 plus 2, which is the same as 4 over 3. And if you divide 4 by 3, it's going to give us 1.333. So this is the answer. And if you check the option B have 1.3. Thanks for watching, and please follow me for more.